My name is Hayden Lambert. This is my third year in 4-H and my third year in tractor maintenance. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do tractor safety on my Alice Chalmers 1939 Class B. The first thing I will be talking about is the operator seat. The operator seat must only have one operator at a time to avoid hazard. The next thing I will be talking about is operating the tractor always at a safe speed. When driving a tractor, your safe speed varies between your surroundings and your situation that you are in. The next thing that I will be talking about is refilling your tractor. Before you refill your tractor, you have to shut off your engine and then you can refill your tractor. The next thing that I'll be talking about is the exhaust gases. Before you start your engine, you have to open your barn door because your exhaust lets out carbon monoxide, so you have to let fresh air mix in with the carbon monoxide and take it away. The next thing that I will be talking about is the drawbar. The drawbar is the safest point to pull something on your tractor. For safe hitching, the drawbar has to be 13 to 17 inches off the ground. The next thing that I'll be talking about is mounting and dismounting the tractor. While mounting and dismounting the tractor, you have to use 3 points of contact. I will demonstrate this procedure. Next, you should always slow down before you turn or use your brakes. To help prevent upsets, you have to leave the tractor in gear and throttle the tractor down. Then the inside brake can be applied to help make the turn. The next thing I will be talking about is keeping the tractor under control at all times. The way the tractor acts depends on the operator, its skill, and its attitude. The final thing that I will be talking about in tractor safety is thinking and practicing safety. Learn to correct unsafe conditions and potential hazards. For the next part of this video, I will be showing you routine maintenance. In this step, we will be using an air gauge to check the pressure. First, you have to take the stem cap off. Make sure that you put your stem cap in a place that you will not forget where it is. Now you have to take your air gauge and check your tire pressure. I will be repeating this process for all 4 tires. If any of them need tire pressure in them, you need to blow them up. If not, you need to put the cap back on. I will be showing you how to inflate the tire with an air compressor. I will be demonstrating how to check your oil on your tractor. If any oil is needed to be added, follow your tractor manual. You also need to check your radiator fluid just to make sure you have antifreeze and water. Make sure your engine is cooled off before you look in the radiator because it might blow up in your face. Next, I will be putting grease in my grease certs. I am using a grease gun to do this. The last thing that I will be showing you is the gear case oil. What you have to do is unscrew and see if it is at a proper level, like it says right there. And if it needs filled, go to your instructor's manual and see how much it needs. This concludes my demonstration on tractor maintenance.